Welcome to our comparison of the AirMSEN portable countertop dishwasher and the Earlix countertop dishwasher. Both of these compact dishwashers offer unique features designed for small spaces, making them ideal for apartments, RVs, and homes with limited kitchen space. Today, we will dive into their specifications, performance, and what sets them apart in the market. When it comes to price, the AirMSEN portable countertop dishwasher is priced at $379, while the Earlix countertop dishwasher is slightly cheaper at $359. This $20 difference may influence budget-conscious consumers, especially considering the features each model offers. The AirMSEN model features a built-in 5-liter water tank, providing convenience without the need for a permanent hookup. In contrast, the Earlix model offers flexibility with its ability to absorb water from an external bucket or connect directly to a faucet. This difference in water supply methods can impact user experience significantly. In terms of drying features, the AirMSEN model boasts a 72-hour ventilation function, ensuring that your dishes remain fresh and hygienic. On the other hand, the Earlix model utilizes PTC hot air drying, which is effective but may not provide the same level of freshness as the ventilation feature. This aspect is crucial for users who prioritize cleanliness and hygiene. Noise level is another important factor to consider. The AirMSEN operates at a noise level of 50 decibels, which is relatively standard for dishwashers. In contrast, the Earlix claims an ultra-low noise level of just 20 decibels, making it an attractive option for those who value a quiet kitchen environment. In conclusion, both the AirMSEN and Earlix countertop dishwashers have their unique strengths. The AirMSEN offers superior drying and convenience with its built-in water tank, while the Earlix provides a quieter operation at a lower price point. Depending on your specific needs and budget, either model could be a great addition to your kitchen. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more appliance comparisons.